Hi, welcome to HannahCrochet. In this video I want to show you how to make this beautiful sunflower hair tie. To start crocheting, we make a magic ring loop. Hold the yarn like this, wrap it and make a cross. Insert your hook under the first strand of yarn and grab the second one, yarn over and make one chain. We remove the ring from our finger and make 6 single crochet. Pull the yarn close the loop. Join it with a slip stitch and make increase into the same stitch. Crochet 5 more increases in this row, and at the end of the row we will have totally 12 stitches. Increase means make 2 single crochet in the same space. I make last increase in row 2. At the end of the row 2, slip a stitch into the first stitch. Hold the hair tie here and continue crocheting. In row 3, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 single crochet, increase into the second stitch. 1 single crochet into the third stitch, increase into the fourth stitch. At the halfway point, bring the hair tie from the back of the work to the front and continue crocheting this row until the end. In this part, be careful not to lose any stitch while crocheting. Join with a slip stitch. In row 4, make 2 single crochet and 1 increase and continue until the end of the row. Join it with a slip stitch. In row 5, make single crochet in all stitches. For the last time, join it with a slip stitch, 1 chain, and cut the yarn. We crochet another one with the same pattern, just without hair elastic. I crocheted before. We use yellow yarn to crochet sunflowers petals. Tie the yellow yarn here. Put the two parts together. Insert the hook into the 2 stitches from 2 parts. 2 chain, yarn over twice, and make triple crochet in the same place. Two chain, make single crochet here, yarn over twice and make triple crochet in the next stitch. Two chain and make a slip stitch in the same place. Two chain, yarn over twice. In the next stitch, make a triple crochet. Two chain, here make a single crochet. In the next stitch, make a triple crochet. Two chain, in the same place make a slip stitch. Two chain, in the next stitch make triple crochet. Two chain and make single crochet. Yarn over twice and in the next stitch make a triple crochet. Two chain, in the same place make a slip stitch. And keep going. Skip crocheting 2 petals and fill it with fiberfill. 2 chain, make a triple crochet in the next stitch, 2 chain, make a single crochet here, make a triple crochet in the next stitch, 2 chain, and in the same place a slip stitch. For the last petal, 2 chain, in the next stitch make a triple crochet, 2 chain, make a single crochet here, make a triple crochet in the next stitch, two chain, make the last slip stitch, one chain, and cut the yarn. And hide this yarn. I finished this beautiful sunflower hair tie. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching me. Have a nice crocheting.